I recently found some rug pullers and some insiders that you can print money by following them. For example, I entered this token at around $625 million dollars, and it went to $1.8 billion dollars in only 2 hours. It was a great profit in few hours, and this was a pump fund token. You were able to easily sell your token, and it was an obvious rug pull. But since I knew the dev behind the project, I knew he spent millions of dollars to pump his tokens. I was sure he wouldn't rug the project for only few souls. Also, this was another project by the same dev. You were able to buy at around $520 million dollars. It went to $1.3 billion dollars. Again, crazy profit, but all of them were rug pulls. You can see a massive dump, and you should be very careful. Please, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is only for educational and entertainment purpose, so take the responsibility of your trades. If you want to get familiar with this strategy after watching this video, you can watch all the videos in Make Money with Insider Wallets playlist. I'm gonna put the link in the video description. Make sure to subscribe the channel, like the video, and join my Telegram channel, Fried Dev. Without further ado, let's get into it. Before I show you different wallets for copy trading and my strategy, I have to make this clear that for all the wallets that I'm gonna share in this video, you have to set a minimum market cap. Because some wallets, when they become popular, they will start farming the copy traders. Basically, they will buy some tokens with a low market cap, like $10,000 or $20,000 market cap. And since so many people copy trade the wallet, the token will pump, and immediately they will sell their bag, they will dump the price. So it's important to always set a minimum market cap. For copy trading, I'm using NovaBot. This is an invite-only tool, but you can gain immediate access to this bot by clicking on the link in the video description. Just click on copy trade. In here, new task, and paste the wallet that you want to copy trade. This is an example. For the minimum market cap, personally, I prefer to set $120,000 market cap, because in this way I'm sure the token graduated, and also many times when the token graduates, it has a short-term pump until $110,000 or $120,000, and they will have immediate dump. That's the reason I really prefer to invest the tokens after this market cap. And you can use this strategy as well. And for the max market cap, I usually don't have any max. I will put this to 0. 0 basically means we disable this feature, because I don't want to have a max market cap. Okay guys, let me actually show you one of my favorite wallets for copy trading. I'm gonna share this wallet on my Telegram channel. But the interesting thing about this wallet is his trades takes hours, and you can easily copy trade him. His win rate is 100%. He never lose money, and with a great PNL. And he mostly trade rug pulls. He finds some rug pullers, some developers, and as soon as they launch a new project, a new token, this person will immediately buy them. And that's the reason he's quite successful on his trades. For example, he bought Uruk. I shared his chart. Let's take a look at this. He bought the token at around $680 million. He sold the tokens with around 35% profit at around $900 million. The token even reached $1.2 billion, but he's very conservative. Or this one, he bought at around $550 million. He sold a portion of that at around $900 million. You can see this one was also at around $900 million. He usually sell at this stage. And he sold another bag at $1 billion. The token even reached $1.8 billion. You can see some massive dumps on both tokens. But, I know these two projects are from one dev. How I know that? Because look at the charts. This is a pump fund token, guys. It's not easy to reach $1 billion market cap. Basically, the developer behind the project bundled the whole supply until, $70,000 market cap. The token graduated in here, and then from here to $500 million. Again, this dev bundled the supply. You can see this massive pump, and you were not able to buy the token at this candle and this candle. So the earliest time to buy the token was at around $500 million market cap. Again, the same happened for this token. He bundled the whole supply, then another pump, and he bought at around here $600 million. And you can see he usually launched token. He dumped the token. He sold his tokens, the dev tokens at here, and it takes almost 10 hours to have this massive pump. The same happened in here. So I know these two projects are from one dev, but let's actually find out who bought these two tokens before even this wallet, because there is a very high possibility that this one is a copy trader as well. We're gonna find out, and I'm gonna use two strategies for this purpose. The first strategy is using Birdeye. We want to find out who were the first buyers for the token. So just copy the contract, paste it in here, and just scroll down, click on find trades. In here, click on filter. We only want to see the buys. Scroll down. For the time, token launched on 18th of February. We want to find who was behind these two big candles, this one and this one. So the time should be 1935 until 1940. So 18th, 1935, 18th, 1940. Okay, now we're good to go. Just click on apply. And just look at this. He spent $1 million. And the reason behind these big candles, was this wallet. Just copy this wallet and let's take a look at it and see the tokens he bought. Okay, he bought this token. This is quite new. I haven't seen this in this wallet. This was the smart wallet that we're following, but he bought this token and this wallet didn't bought that. But let's take a look at this one. This looks pretty good. Let's see. I think he used the same strategy. Yes, he used exactly the same strategy. Just look at this. He bundled the supply. You were able to enter this token at around $600 million, and the token reached $3 billion, more than something around 5x. And you were able to enter this token quite early. If I paste the wallet that we found, let me copy this, paste it in here. Okay, it seems this time for this token he didn't bought too much, millions of dollars. He bought the token in here at around $660 million, but still it was a great profit. And yeah, you can see these sales, this is the strategy that most of these ruggers usually use. They will transfer the tokens to another wallet. That's the reason you can see he haven't sold the tokens. So if you want to follow and copy trade some traders like this, this is actually an insider. This is the dev behind the project. Please do not follow their sells. Only follow their buys if you want to do that. Let's take a look at Kanye. This token has the similar pattern. Let's see. Interesting. Uh, Let me take a look at when we were able to enter this token. Okay, you were able to enter this token at $500 million market cap, and it reached to $1.3 billion. Again, a nice 2x. But I don't know why this wallet didn't bought these tokens. Probably he's copy trading another wallet, and that wallet haven't bought these tokens. But this is a nice wallet that we found, and this is definitely an insider. This is definitely the dev behind the project, because why you should spend millions of dollars on a token that is 100% a rug pull. This was the first strategy that I used. Let's take a look at the second strategy. Actually, I'm gonna use GateCap to find some common traders between different tokens. This is a free tool. You can find the link in the video description. Just click on multi-token search and paste the contracts of different tokens that you find similar patterns between them. For example, this one was a token, similar pattern with Kanye token, and the same pattern with Oruk. I'm gonna copy all three contracts, and I want to find the common traders between each one of them. In this way, we can actually find some insiders. Let's paste this one, and this is the third contract, and just click on find matching traders. In here you can see different wallets. Usually the first wallets are better. Let me copy this one, paste it in here. Okay, the tokens he bought are totally different. Probably he's a sniper. He's not an insider. Let's copy this one, paste it in here. Okay, look at this. Oh my god, 7,000% PNL, 87% win rate, and you can see group 3 Kanye token, Yi. This was also a token that we found in the smart wallet that we found. All the tokens are similar. Look at this, Oruk. And I suppose this is among the first wallet that he usually buy the tokens. Let's take a look at this one. This one seems an immediate rug. Let's see. It start from $12 million. It was totally different with the previous tokens. Previous tokens started from $400 to $500 million. Let's see when he bought this token. He bought this one at, yeah, the first candle. Exactly, he bought the token in the first candle. So this is actually the main wallet. Let's see. This was a token. Let me actually take a look at Dave Greed. The smart wallet that we were following wasn't able to gain profit on this token. He made only 1% and he held the token for 1 day. But when it comes to this wallet, let's take a look. He was the first wallet, exactly the first one. Let me see. Okay. This token reached to $1.5 million, and he bought again in the first candle. So this wallet is 100% is an insider. It's actually the dev wallet. He buy all the tokens in the first candle, and if you want to copy this dev, you should take a look at this wallet. But be careful, whenever you saw he changed his pattern, the token didn't graduate or didn't reach to 400 or 500 million dollars, I suggest you to not invest in those tokens, and you should be very careful, and as soon as you saw a big dump, you should sell your bag. Okay, let me actually show you another interesting wallet that I found. This person is actually a trader, he's not an insider. And a lot of times, the tokens he buy skyrocket. Look at this one, 180% profit. This one, 380% profit. Or this, 241. He even bought this token. I shared this and we found the dev behind this project. He made 412% on this one as well. This is quite interesting. He actually trade rugpulls, but when he get into profit, he usually gain minimum 2x. But his losses are also a lot. For example, 96% on this token, 82%. He doesn't have a good strategy for selling. But what I want to do is actually finding the devs he's actually following. For example, for this token, Kimi, you can see the chart is look like this. Another token that he bought, the same pattern, big pump, big dumps, and a little similar. So I suppose these three are related to one dev. We're gonna actually find out. Let's copy the contract, go to gatekept, multi-token search. Let's paste all three tokens. Copy this one, paste it in here, and the last one, copy this and paste it in here. Click on find matching traders. We have many wallets that bought all three tokens. Let's actually start with the first one. Let me paste it in here. Okay, look at this. He bought Kimi, Grook, and this one. Let's see when he bought the tokens. In this chart, let me actually click on maker and paste it in here. Okay, look at this. He bought in the second candle, in this candle, much earlier than the wallet that we found. So even in Kimi, that this person lost 90%, if you followed this wallet, you were able to gain a good profit. He bought in here. Even if you bought the token at this candle at around $80,000 market cap, it went all the way to $490,000. Great profit. And let's see the other tokens. He bought this token as well. Let's find out when he bought that. Again, look at this. Look at this. He bought exactly in this candle. $28,000 market cap. He bought the token exactly in here. It went to, $600,000 market cap. Crazy profit. Let's see. But he bought some other tokens that this wallet didn't follow them. For example, he bought this one, Brooklyn. Let's see. This was an immediate rug. Guys, be careful. Personally, I never invest in a token before token graduation when I copy trade a token, because a lot of times these wallets invest on some tokens with very low market cap, like this one, $24,000 market cap, and they will dump the token. They're trying to farm you. So be careful about this kind of tokens. Personally, even when it comes to this token, I would invest on this one after $90,000 market cap in this candle, because I want the token graduates. In this way, I can make sure that wallet doesn't trying to farm me. This is very important. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video. Cheers.